This is the Singer 500J, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the light here, and I also want to remove all of the wiring. So I'm going to get the light off and out, and then we'll go from there. And please do subscribe, it would help. Thanks. I'll talk to you at the end. And this one's a really easy one to get access to. I think this is the shorter one. A little bit of a crack. This is the shorter screw. There's this one for the little screw there. So there, I'll just put that in that bag like that. I already have a little box for some of the stuff, and then I have a magnetic tray. So that's come off there. Now the next thing I want to check out is this grommet. And it's the grommet is toast, right? It's just exploding in my fingers. So it is toast. So that's nice that we're able to fix this right now. Get this cleaned up. Whoopsie daisy, there goes my support. So there, yeah, it's all broken. So, and I have some grommets around here already. I don't have them right now, so it won't be today, but so that's good. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this screw out right here, because on the inside is a bit of a clamp or whatever holding a bit of a cover holding the wire, the electrical cord. So we'll get going on that right now. And here is the cord, and here is the cover of the cord coming from the light, and this is the screw that I have to undo on the outside here that I was just showing you. So I'm going to go out there and undo that, and then I'll get that cover off there. So I've got my hand on the inside there because I don't want anything to come loose back there and fall down. So that screw is out, and there's the greasy, messy cover. How greasy is it? Or dirty? Well, not bad, I guess. You know, there's not much smudge on the towel. That's out of there now. And I'm looking at that, and I don't think I necessarily want to take that apart. You know what? If I tape it up, it's not going to make much difference. That's still going to be the widest point, even if I leave that on. So fair enough. So let me get this started first. And we'll start it right down here. And I have to realize that these may be greasy wires, so that I'm going to have to wrap the tape so that the tape, you know, essentially it has to stick to itself. So I think I have there, so now I'll start to edge it up. Okay, there's the taped up wire down there, kind of front and center. And I'm looking for my pointer, which is right there, and there it is there. It's wrapped in electrical tape, and that's kind of the narrowest channel that I have to get it through. So I'm going to try and coax it through, but it doesn't seem to want to be all that coaxable at this point. So I'm going to have to move my lamp, and I want you guys to be able to, you know, it's going to be one of those things that it's going to be difficult to see no matter what. So let me see. So I have to get it to come up from down there. It was coming. It was coming out. And then I wanted to get it on camera for you. So let me see if I can. I got it. I got it. So what I got? So I got to get this down through where the grommet used to be, and it's coming slowly. Well, that is a little bit tight. So let me see if I can take it back up a little and try something else. There we go. Ta-da! So there's the light and the bulb and the wiring. What else? So there. The electricals are out and the light is off and the electricals are out. The motor is out. And I'm going to stop right here. I want to thank you folks for being here, especially the people who it's your first time here. You don't all have to subscribe to be a good viewer, you know, but it sure helps the channel and me and the sewing machines. So that would be appreciated. Thank you. I am glad that you made it to the end. Please have fun. Take care of yourselves. We'll get together soon for another video. I'm going to continue along with this. Peace, guys. Cheers. Adios, amigos.